The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is finally here. So does it worth the hype? These are 5 exclusive features. I'm going to plug you everything that you need to know in just 3 minutes. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The Galaxy S24 series, that's right, we're talking about the S24, the S24 Plus, and the crown jewel, the S24 Ultra, each one packing exclusive features that will make your jaw drop. But wait, before you start emptying your bank account, let's dive into the exclusive features that make these phones truly the next level. And number 1, the monsters cameras. Samsung has gone nuclear with the camera technology this year. The S24 Ultra boasts a whopping 200 megapixel sensor, the highest resolution on any phone yet. This means photos that are insanely detailed even when zoomed in. Plus, with improved low light performance and super smooth video recording, you will be capturing memories like a pro no matter the lighting. And number 2, say goodbye to the zoom limits. Remember those grainy pixelated close-ups? Yeah, those are officially retired. The S24 Ultra's new 5x optical zoom lens lets you get closer to the action without sacrificing the quality. Whether you are snapping wildlife pictures from afar or trying to decipher the tiny menu text, this phone has you covered. And even the smaller models come with impressive zoom capabilities. And number 3, the AI revolution is here. Samsung's Galaxy AI is smarter than ever. With features like live translate, you can hold conversations with people in other languages in real time, like a magic. Noise assistants transcribe your audio recordings and even suggest keywords, making note-taking a breeze. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. This series is packed with AI smarts that will make your life easier and more productive. And number 4, displays that are out of this world. The S24 series displays are no joke at all. They are brighter than ever before at a whopping 2600 nits, making them perfect for viewing even in direct sunlight. Plus, super smooth 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and gaming a joyful experience. And trust me, you are going to love it. And this brings us to number 5, and batteries that last like never before. And we all hate phones that die on us during the midstream, but with the S24 series, you can say goodbye to your battery anxiety. They come with larger battery capacities like the 4000 milliamps power for the S24 and 4900 milliamps power for the Plus and 5000 milliamps power for the Ultra. That will keep you powered up all day long, no matter how hard you're going to use it. So is the Samsung Galaxy S24 series worth the hype? In my opinion, absolutely, because with groundbreaking cameras, powerful AIs, tuning displays, and long-lasting batteries, these phones are truly the game changers. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Check out the series for yourself and see why it is the ultimate upgrade. And if you need a detailed review on all these 3 phones that will help you to make the best choice, then check back for the next video on the S24 series on the same channel very soon. So if this video helps you a lot, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech goodness. And let me know in the comments which phone in the S24 series is your favorite. Peace out and hope to see you next time very soon with the next video. Goodbye.